Hi, Miss Cargill here, and today we're going to talk about our science subjects, matter and its interactions for 5th grade students. Now, we are determining whether the mixing of these substances result in new substances. So what the interactions could be between what we have here today. We have a bowl of water, we have some ground black pepper, and we have some soap. And what we're going to do is we're going to add the black pepper, and then we're going to also add, you could use a finger or a Q-tip with soap, just a little bit of soap, and we're going to see what happens. But before we go into the actual experiment, I want to take a moment for the students to be able to write down their predictions on what they think will happen when we combine these ingredients. Predictions are a great way for students to see the cause and effect of certain interactions that happen in science. So what we're going to do, we're going to add a little bit of pepper. And we're going to add our soap. And what we're going to do, we're going to see this effect. What happens? What? Look at that. It's been all pulled away. A bulging of that water, the surface, the top of the surface, the pepper has expanded out. So what you find in this experiment is that pepper is hydrophobic. Water is not attracted to it, and pepper doesn't dissolve in water. When soap is added, so is the surface tension, and it is reduced, and the water wants to spread out flat. The water will bulge up slightly around like when a glass overfills. Now you can see that the pepper is floating on the surface, and it is carried away from the soap to the edge of the water. Now, as the students' informal assessment, they would have written down their predictions of what they thought would happen. And now they're going to analyze and interpret what it was that they found through this experiment. How does soap interact with pepper? How does this apply to the real world, and how can we implement this knowledge in our daily activities? One of the examples I have is washing our hands. How do we get all those germs off of our body? Well, the interaction between soap and water. Thank you. That's Miss Cargill. Peace out.